Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the installation safe and verifiable. Turn off the main breaker and the inverter breaker, and if available, apply a lockout/tagout. This prevents live hazards. Once done, confirm the stabilizer and inverter voltage and current ratings so they match or exceed the load. Mismatch causes damage. Make sure batteries are disconnected from the inverter and the stabilizer is placed near the distribution board. Finally, lay out insulated tools, a multimeter, correct cables, and the recommended fuses for the upcoming wiring. You now attach the main supply to the stabilizer input. Do this carefully to maintain polarity and protection. First, identify the incoming live, neutral, and earth at the distribution board. Label them if needed. Next, route the live through a dedicated MCB or inline fuse before landing it on the stabilizer's live terminal, and attach neutral and earth to their respective terminals with the specified torque. Loose connections heat up and fail. Once wired, use a multimeter to verify continuity and correct connections before proceeding. You finish by feeding the inverter from the stabilizer output. Route appropriately sized output cables from the stabilizer's output terminals to the inverter input, keeping runs short and avoiding heat sources. Correct gauge prevents voltage drop. Reconnect the inverter batteries only after confirming stabilizer output is stable, then switch on the stabilizer and observe voltage and indicator lights. Finally, power the inverter and test a small load. If voltage swings, audible hum, or tripping occurs, immediately isolate power. Check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.